What's up, guys? I'm Forrest. I'm gonna cut down a fucking tree.
We're gonna see some crazy shit happen.
I'm continuing on with the whole tearing down the motor. Alright, so we got the stock T25 Garrett and the stock manifold. It appears has never been off, but maybe that's a good thing. I'm gonna start with taking the oil lines off and the coolant lines, and then I'm just gonna go straight into taking the nuts off the manifold. Let's get this bread! Okay, so I'm gonna actually start with removing the factory catch can, and it's actually only held on with one bolt, just so I can access the nuts on the manifold. Back with the captain's chair, mounting up.
Alright, you're gonna do this oil filter, and we're gonna put water in here and start it up. So then you're gonna keep that sock right there.
Say goodbye to YouTube. Bye, good seeing you, dude. Love you. And there he goes. Off to where he came from. Alright guys, so I got the coolant feed, and I got the oil feed off, the banjo bolts off. This is loosened. I'm hopefully just gonna wiggle it off when I have the manifold coming off. And then there's one bolt behind here for the coolant drain. So, yep, pretty straightforward. Now I'm gonna tackle these manifold nuts. Everything is off. Should come right off. So I got the coolant inlet pipe, the dipstick tube, and the water pump pulley off, and now I'm just degreasing the whole exhaust side of the block and head. Just over here making a mess, like usual. Alright, so yep, just drain the oil, and I put the drain plug back in, and I put about another quart of oil in and turn the motor over, just because the oil did smell a little bit like fuel, and just slightly concerned about that, so just let it turn around, clean all the bearings off a little bit, just so I'm not letting it sit in fuel all winter. So, thanks for watching, if you stuck around this long. Yeah, just cleaning up everything. Got the turbo off. In my last video, I got the intake off and taken apart. Continuing on with the whole bag it and tag it idea, just so it is easier to put it back together. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you did like it, please leave a like. And if you care enough, please subscribe and be sick. Thanks.